Hey everyone, welcome today. We have an exciting review and step-by-step installation guide for one of the most powerful monitoring apps out there, mSpy for Android. Whether you're a parent wanting to keep your kids safe online, an employer looking to monitor company devices, or just someone curious about what mSpy can do, you're in the right place. We'll dive deep into its features, show you exactly how to install it on your Android device, and share our honest thoughts on its performance. We'll cover everything from call and text monitoring to GPS tracking and social media surveillance. Plus, we'll highlight any pros and cons we've discovered along the way. So grab your Android device, sit back, and let's get started. I'd like to let you know that there's a link in the description below if you want to download mSpy, get a discounted package. Now, let's explore some of the key features that make mSpy stand out. These features are designed to give you a comprehensive view of the target device's activities. The mSpy dashboard is your command center for monitoring the target device. It organizes all activities into different sections, making it easy to keep track of everything. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the dashboard is designed to be straightforward and accessible. Messages are a primary mode of communication these days, and mSpy lets you check not only regular SMS, but also private conversations on apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Snapchat, and Viber. You'll get a complete report on who your target device holder is texting, basic information about the recipient, and even a peek into the images iVideos shared. With mSpy's keyword alerts, you can flag certain words and be notified if those words appear in a conversation. This feature is great for parents worried about their kids engaging in risky behaviors. Instead of constantly monitoring texts, you can rely on these alerts to notify you of concerning keywords. mSpy's keylogger records every single keystroke made on the device. Whether it's a typed message that wasn't sent, a note, or a search query, mSpy tracks it all. This feature is particularly useful for capturing disappearing messages on apps like Snapchat and Instagram. mSpy offers real-time location tracking, so you can see where the target device is at all times. Additionally, with geofencing, you can set up virtual boundaries and receive notifications if the device crosses those boundaries. This feature is great for parents wanting to ensure their children's safety or for partners wanting peace of mind. mSpy's screen recording feature allows you to see messages and photos on the target phone through automated screenshots triggered by phone activity. This is especially useful for tracking disappearing messages on apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Instagram. Location tracking isn't the only way to know where the target user is. mSpy also tracks the Wi-Fi networks they connect to, providing you with details about the network name, connection duration, and connection date. This feature helps you understand where the user hangs out most often. With mSpy, you can monitor and restrict the apps and websites your target user accesses. You'll get a complete list of all downloaded apps and visited websites. If necessary, you can remotely block access to specific apps and websites. mSpy provides instant access to the target device's call list, showing who they talk to, call duration, and timestamps. You can also access detailed caller information, such as names and phone numbers. This feature helps you keep track of who the target user is in touch with. mSpy allows you to monitor the target user's calendar, providing insights into upcoming events, including event names, venues, and timestamps. This is helpful for keeping track of planned activities and ensuring the user's safety. mSpy lets you access the target device's media files, such as images and videos, ensuring the user is not interacting with inappropriate content. This feature provides timestamps for when files were downloaded, helping you understand the context of the media files. To install mSpy, start by purchasing a subscription by clicking link in description. Create an account using a valid email address, choose the device you want to monitor, select a subscription package. mSpy offers different subscription options depending on how long you want to use the service. You can choose from a 1-month plan at around $48, a 3-month plan at about $28 per month, or a 12-month plan at roughly $11 per month. The 12-month plan offers the best value for long-term monitoring. After purchasing subscription, you'll receive a confirmation email with your order details, a link to the control panel, and your username and password. You'll need these to install the app and access your control panel. Before you can set up the app, you'll need to disable Play Protect on the target phone. Get your child's phone. Make sure it's unlocked and fully charged, then open the Play Store. Tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner and turn off Scan Device for security threats. Next, disable notifications to prevent any alerts from appearing. From the main screen, go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store. Find Notifications and toggle off Show Notifications. Now let's download the mSpy installer. Open Google Chrome and type this URL into the address bar. Press Go, pass the CAPTCHA verification, and tap Download. Once it's downloaded, tap Open. Here comes the exciting part, installing mSpy. Tap Install and then Open. Allow all pop-ups to grant the app access to phone data, calls, contacts, location, messages, etc. Follow the wizard's instructions and grant all the necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. Enter the registration code you received earlier, then tap Complete Installation. That's it, you're done. Now that mSpy is installed, you can start monitoring your child's phone. Log into your mSpy account from any browser. When you first log in, it might take a few minutes for mSpy to gather all the information, so be patient. When comparing mSpy to other monitoring apps, it stands out for its comprehensive feature set and user-friendly interface. Unlike many competitors, mSpy is a robust and reliable monitoring solution, especially for parents wanting to keep their children safe online. Its extensive feature set, including real-time location tracking, social media monitoring, and discrete operation, makes it a standout choice in the market. Although it may seem a bit pricey compared to some competitors, the value it offers in terms of functionality and ease of use justifies the cost. With an intuitive dashboard and strong customer support, mSpy provides peace of mind and a powerful tool for responsible monitoring. Click the link in the description below and download mSpy now. Always remember to use it within legal boundaries and with the consent of the person being monitored.